Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. I found a track that you can use to test the multi-layering effects in your system. So I think it's a good track. Not only does it sound good, I think a lot of elderly people are going to go like, "Oh, this is for the younger generation." No, I actually think it's pretty sophisticated. That it's a pretty well made piece of music. But I get that a lot of elderly people won't like this. But this is purely just to test the detail, the multi-layering that's going on in your system. I think it's a very good test, and I'm just gonna play you like 10 seconds of it, just so you have an idea what it is. Well, it just keeps on evolving again and again and again. It's a bit like a Buckethead song, which just keeps on going into these insane gears. And I think that it sounds just really awesome, especially on triode amplifiers, triode tube amplifiers. Then you really get to hear how musical this whole track really is, and the layering, how deep the soundstage is in this track. But also, what I really found interesting was that I heard this track on one of my favorite amplifiers. Actually, an amplifier that isn't on the market, that a friend made. And what I noticed was that there was a part of the detail that I never heard on even the highest end of systems. And that's, I got to hear it recently at my friend's place, and that's where, I don't know what it's called. It's just the bass response. It's actually supposed to be really firm, where you can hear the bass, everything around the bass, and then going deeper into the sound. It's difficult to explain. It's difficult to explain. But I never really got to hear that even on the highest end of systems. So really cool track. Also check out my other track called Pepe Romero Flamingo, whatever it's called, on my channel. Also really good test track, just for pure detail, intensity, resolution. It's a fun thing. It's a fun thing to test when you're going through all of these expensive systems. Then you really get to hear like the technical abilities of the system, to see it like flex its muscles. So you get all this dynamic contrast type of thing, and layering in it. So yeah, very cool. Check this video out, the original video, and check the Pepe Romero one on my channel, so you know which one it is that I mean. So this is me logging out, and have a nice day.